is the Programmer Owl, and in this video I'm going to walk through an Edabit challenge from Python called SQL Select Statement. And so sometimes Python is mixed with SQL, which is a standard query language, and they give you a little bit of a tutorial, like when you want to select everything from a certain table, what you would do in all caps is write select, asterisk, and from, and then the name of the table, and end it with a semicolon. So in this challenge, they want us to fill in the query in the code tab to select everything from the table employees. So basically, it's just going to be this right here. Instead of table, it's going to be employees. And so inside here, I'm going to do all caps select, asterisk, from, and then employees is the name of the table, and I'm going to end with a semicolon like they suggested, and I'm going to check it, and the test should pass, and they even gave us an example of the table. So that is the SQL Select Statement Challenge.